Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Uh, by the name of Allah, the most compassionate and merciful, I want to start a new journey from this day to talk about the verses of Quran in English. And by listening or by watching this video, you can learn English. Even you will be able to know the meaning of this Quran, Holy Quran, inshallah, gradually. Uh, I'm not talking that in a day you will be able to know about the English. I think that if you listen or if you watch this video every day or regularly, inshallah, you will be able to know the meaning of this Quran one day. It's the process by listening or by watching this, you can get it gradually. So from this day, inshallah, I will try to make a video every day to make sure yourself how you can explore the meaning of Quran, Holy Quran, inshallah. As you can see, the book, the name of this book is the Clear Quran. So if I want to talk, if I want to make any video, inshallah, I hope that you will listen or you will watch this video to know about Holy Quran. That will be very blessing for you from my Almighty Allah. So inshallah, from this day, I want to start. First, I want to recite the surah, and as you know, the first surah of Holy Quran is Surah Fatiha. It's you can say prayer for guidance. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين Amin. So I want to pronounce the meaning of these verses or of this surah. In the name of Allah, if I say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, it means in the name of Allah, the most compassionate, most merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise is for Allah, Lord of all worlds. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, the most compassionate, most merciful. Malik Yawmiddin, master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. You alone, we worship, and you alone, we ask for help. Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim, guide us along the straight path. Sirat al-ladhina an'amta alayhim, the path of those you have blessed. Ghayril maghdubi alayhim waladdallin, not those you are displeased with or those who are astray. Amen. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Inshallah, if you listen it or if you watch this video every day, inshallah you will be able to speak, you will be able to explore the meaning of this Quran, inshallah. So thank you. No more today. Allah Hafiz.